So let's say you're running an online business. This could be selling physical products or even services. But the challenge now is, let's say someone asks for a refund. How would your website know if someone has asked for a refund or not? And how do you make those adjustments on your website? Now, this is the challenge that a lot of e-commerce websites have. Now, I have a solution and I have 3 products that I'll be showcasing in this video. And if you use these products the way I am showing you, you will solve this problem that I'm talking about. So let's dive in and let me show you how to set up your WooCommerce website in an advanced way, which helps you track who has been refunded and what is really happening on your website. All right, so over here, I have my website. I've gone ahead and installed my products. The first one here is WP Fusion, and you can see it's been added here. So let's go in and let's do the first customizations to our plugin. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've come over here to setup and selected my CRM. So your CRM here is very important because this is how we're going to set up our tags, which then let us know what is happening on our website. So my CRM is Fluent CRM. You can use ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and so on because they support a tag system. So over here, I've also added my license key, and that's all I needed to do, and hit save. Next, our product here is Fluent CRM. This is my actual CRM. So what I'm going to do now is to add my tags that I need. So the first tag I'm going to add here is going to be the refund. So I'm going to click here on create new tag, and I'm just going to say refunded. There we go. I'm going to confirm that. Then I'm also going to create another one called customer. I'm going to confirm. So far, these are my 2 tags. Next, I'm going to come over here now to WooCommerce. And again, this is a free product. You can install it through our plugins, and this is free, like I said. So here, I'm going to go to my products and click on add new. So I'm going to say product A. I'm going to add my description here, and then I'm going to add my price. And let's look for an image here that we can add. So I'm going to click here on product image. And the image here could be, let's say these shoes here. Set product. So great, I have my product here. Now I can hit publish, and let's view this product in a new tab. So here we go. We have our product here, so people can purchase it by clicking here on add to cart and so on. So let's say someone has bought it and they decided, you know what, I don't want this product anymore, and they want a refund. This is the step that we need to set up now. So with that said, I am also going to come back over here to Fluent CRM and add one more tag, and the tag is going to be bought product A. So I'm going to come back over here to my dashboard, go to my tags, and let's add one called bought product A. There we go. Confirm. Great. So these are my tags that I have in my CRM. Now let's match these with our product. So I'm going to come over here now to our products. And remember, we have product A. So let's go in here, click on edit. And this is the important part. So once you install WP Fusion and you activate it, this is the option we get. So I'm going to click here on WP Fusion. So apply tags when purchased. Now remember, we just created them, and we're going to set bought product A when purchased. Apply tag when refunded. Now I'm going to say refunded. We could also add another one when the transaction fails, but I'm not going to add that one, but it's also something that you can add so that you know exactly what is happening on your site. So now that I have this area here set, I am going to now hit update. So the next step now is to set up our automation. So I'm going to come over here to Fluent CRM, click on automations. So we want to set up emails now that work when any of these triggers are activated. So let's come over here to create new automation. And this is going to be a CRM based. So I'm going to say tag applied. So let's call this one here refunded. I'm going to hit continue. Okay, so now I'm going to select my tag, and it's going to be called refunded. Save settings. So when this tag is applied, we can send them a custom email, and we can just add our email subject line here. You can say, sorry to see you go. That's if it's a service-based product. And if it is, say, a physical product, you can say your product is being refunded or whatever it is. And then here is where you need to add the body of the email. So we could say hello at first name. Add your information in here. and then you can save settings. So you can continue adding more steps here, but you know what? For this, end the funnel here and save settings. Now we can also have another funnel that starts when someone has bought a product. So let's close out of here, and this can be done the same way. So I can go back to automations here, create a new automation and say bought product A. Okay, now I can choose CRM or I can choose WooCommerce. It doesn't really matter which one I go with, because when someone buys, they're going to have the tag applied to them. So I can say tag applied, continue, and I can choose my tag here, bought product A, save settings, and now I can also have my automation here. Now, the most important thing is when you have your tags all set up, you have also a central place where you can see these tags being applied. So let me show you where that is. So Fluent CRM has this customer database. So to see that customer database, you come over here to your dashboard and you can see your total contacts here. So at the moment I have 1. Or what you can do is you can come over here and you can search for specific customers. So let's say you want to see all the customers, you can come over here and say all contacts. And if you want to see who has been refunded or what is going on, you can filter by tags. So you can come over here and say refunded, and this will now show you a list of all the customers that were refunded. Now, this may seem like, okay, why are we going through all of this? The most important thing is if someone refunds on your WooCommerce website, all you get is an email. So imagine trying to track all your emails and trying to find out who has been refunded. Now with this system here, it is better because you are going to get a list of all the refunded customers here. So you can see them, you can specifically send them an email, and you can pretty much filter by tag. So let me just show you what the customer page will look like. So if I click here on Jack, you can see that there's quite a lot of information. So they have purchase history. They even have notes and activities. And here it also shows the emails that were opened or sent. So you can see here I have this test email. So you can go in here and see what email was sent. So it will show you here how many days, how many products. So this goes into a lot more detail to give you a bird's eye view as to what is happening here. So right now we don't have any tags. So let's say we were to have a tag called refunded here. What would happen now is I would get an email now with that. So now with this tag refunded, I will then get an email because we have an automation that controls this tag, which is refunded. And you can see here the email has been sent. I've just refreshed my page and this is the email. It's just been triggered. So if I click here to see the email, it will show us, hello, Jack, blah, 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 blah. So this is how it activates and it's working seamlessly. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. This is an advanced WooCommerce tutorial. Let me know if you have any tutorial suggestions and I can pull these together and add them onto this website. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.